Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Zone channel. In this video we are going to see the file write concepts in file handling in Python. So file write is mainly used for creating a new file. It may be of Notepad or some other formats. Okay, if a file is already present there, then the contents of the file will be overwritten. If it is not there, then the new file will be created. We will see how to do this in Python now. I have a coding here for creating a new file. So the 6 lines of code I have given here. In this, the name of the file is student1.txt and I am accepting 5 students name here. And once you run this sample code, it will ask you to enter the name of 5 students. So I am giving here 5 students names. And once you complete that part, the new file will be created with the name student1.txt, where this information, whatever we have typed it from the Python editor, will be stored inside that notepad file. Now I am going to show you this concept in Python editor. So I am taking the Python editor here, and in that I have typed the coding. So file out equal to open student1.txt comma w. So the name of the file which I am going to create is student1.txt, which is an already existing file, and here we will see how the contents will be overwritten now. Then w I am going to give it in the write mode, and then file out is the stream object for I in range of 5. So it will be accepting 5 data. Name equal to input, enter the name of the student. So enter name of a student, message will be appearing in the Python output screen, and you have to give 5 students names. File dot write of name. So now in that student1.txt file, this content will be created. With this content, the new file is created now. File out dot write /n, which is a new line character. So each and every data will be present in a single line. So file out dot close, I am closing the file stream object. So this is the coding here for creating a file. And after completing this part in the editor, go to the file and click the save option to save the file. So already I have saved it, and you have to run the program. In that run menu, click the run module. So the execution will be taking place. Already I have typed some content. We will see whether these contents are overwritten now. And I am going to give the data like Vijay, Jaya, Usha, Ram, Raja. So these are the 5 data I have entered. Once you complete that, you will be getting the Python prompt, and we have to check whether the new file is created now. Here you have to remember one important thing. You have to check this file in that location where your Python file is stored. In that same place, the new file will be created. So that we will check it now. So this is the old data, like Ram, Raja, Sai, Haripuja is the old data, and I have given a new data now. So I am opening this file now. So this new content is appearing, that is Vijay, Jaya, Usha, Ram and Raja. So this is the method of creating a text file in Python. Okay, I have entered here 5 data. Each and every data is appearing in a single line. The reason is I have inserted the new line character. Okay, so this is a method of creating a file. And another thing also I have shown to you here. Already it is having some content that is overwritten now. And if you don't want to do this overwriting, you can go for the appending mode. I'll put that in the next video. And if you have any doubt in this part, please send it to me in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching this channel. Thank you viewers for the full support given to me.